taste the Dji Osmo Action camera. I just bought it from America and I want to test how good this camera is. I've been using Gopro in the past years. I've used the Hero 5 and Hero 7. Hero 5 was pretty bad. Hero 7 was pretty okay because you could handle some shaky videos, you know. It's got the hyper smooth stabilizer, whereas in Dji Osmo Action they have the rock steady. So you know how much I spent for the camera and the tripod? $300, my friend. $300. This is not cheap, man. Here and there in the back we have a monastery, Kamal actually monastery, just below there is the place where I stay. Still COVID here in Nepal. We're still under lockdown, but we do have a saying called, the government has said that it's a smart lockdown. I don't know, the government can't make the city a smart city, but they made it in a smart lockdown. Creative, huh? Awesome, man. The lockdown has hit me so hard that I've been jobless for 2 years, man. 2020 visit Nepal, and I was so excited that I'll have a few clients or trackers coming, and then I'll have some, work. But the pandemic hit and everything was locked down, stuck in the house, and I was hoping by 2021 it will be open, I'll have trackers coming in. Same thing happened in 2021, I'm still in the lockdown here in Nepal. In Kathmandu, and it's insane, man. I don't know what to do. I'm like staying home the whole day, eating food, sleeping, watching some videos. That's all, man. So I'm hoping by 2022 everything will be normal and I can go back to work, and I have maybe I'll have few trackers coming to Nepal, and I can guide them up to the mountains, to the Himalayas. So I'm just hoping.